but look at this. I actually stand it up straight on the back of it, so I got plenty of room. Today we're gonna bring a gravity storage stand. Now this is perfect for those that don't have any space for the laptops and you still want to have it on your desk and you're very compressed with a lot of space. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up and see what you get. But first of all, I just wanted to let you guys know the vendor was kindly enough to send it out to us so you could review it. We're gonna put it together and see if it's worth even purchasing something like this, because it's gonna minimize the space that you currently have if for storage area. So let's go ahead and do that and open it up. So first of all, first impression, this thing is it's a little aluminum. It's all base aluminum, if you guys can see the side angle. So how it works, if you put anything heavier in the middle, it closes up and it clamps up. Now there is actually rubber ends here, so it won't scratch your laptop. So when it closes out, it stays stored in pretty much in one angle. So we're gonna set it up right now. And if you guys can see, there is a little cradle area here too. It also has covered with rubber too. And if you guys noticed, I'm just pushing it down, not that much weight on it. So when you put in your laptops, it just syncs up pretty good. All right, we got a laptop here. It's an Apple book. So we're gonna put it together in here. And this is heavy, right? So when you just slide it in there, it just pretty much stands by itself. It's not that bad. I mean, taking it out, just lifting it up. That's all you got to do. Bring it down. It locks in automatically. It stays fixed. Now you can use this to connect your computer right on the side of it. And you can move it anywhere. I like it that you can move it anywhere. And the bottom, there's actually rubber there, so it won't scratch your surface too. So you can even add your iPad in here to store it in case you're going to want to, put it side by side by you. It's not bad. We're going to put it together. I like how it looks and it feels. So it's not that bad. And if you guys can see the thinness of it, doesn't take too much of a space. Let's see how much space it takes. Now, space-wise, we're going to real estate. It's about close to 5 inches that's going to take. 5 inches by 5. 5 by 5. That's how much space you're going to require for this thing. But it's going to save you tons of space instead of putting it flat. Instead of you putting it flat on any kind of space that you have or behind your monitor or something, you can always set these up simple somewhere else. And so we're going to take a look at the little cramped area that I'm talking about. All right, if you guys can see, my actual desk is a mess. There's not that much space. I normally will put the laptop in here, but because of the space saving now, I have it back there. If you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it is. So this is my monitor, but look at this. I actually stand it up straight on the back of it, so I got plenty of room, and I don't have to worry about scratching it because I was always putting stuff on top of it. Now it's back there, plenty of space. No, I don't have to modify anything in here. Everything's pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.